Today I'll be guiding you the 3 ways to hide your following list on Instagram. Make sure to watch the video till the end. So first of all, you have to open the Instagram app and let's tap on profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. The first thing first, what you need to do is you need to go to the account privacy and set your account to private. For that, toggle on the private account button and tap on switch to private. You are now private, so you can update more privacy setting. For now, let's leave as it is and come back. So let me tell you, when your account is private, only the followers you approve can see what you share, including your photos, videos, your followers, as well as the following list. So once you have done that, come back again. Suppose if I want anyone to not let them see my following list on Instagram, then what I can do is simply I need to go on any one of the followers. For now, I don't have any followers. I will just give an example to you by opening someone's profile. Here, you need to tap on 3 dots at the upper right corner, and on the section you can easily find out follower like option. You just simply need to tap on it, remove them from your followers. When you remove someone from your followers, what happens is they won't be able to see our following list, as we have kept our account already private. So this is the second way to hide your following list on Instagram. The third option what you can do is you just need to be in this profile and tap on 3 line at the top right, and here you need to scroll and tap on help. Here you need to report a problem, and you need to report problem without checking. And now tap on include and continue, and here you just need to simply explain what happened or what's not working. So you can easily explain the issue here, like, hi Instagram, I would like to hide my following list from everyone, so please help me for this issue. And after you have explained the issue and attach that and upload it, that is mean you can tap on the send at the upper right corner and easily report your problem. So these are the 3 ways to hide your following list on Instagram. I hope it worked for you. If it worked, then hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.